Hello, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So, scholars, today we are going to start with a new chapter. Chapter number 9, and the name of the chapter is People Who Help Us. Scholars, we see many people around us who help us live a good life. For example, in this picture, gardener and sweeper are keeping the park green and clean. They do this work for earning a living. Similarly, we all do some work to live. The work for which we get paid is called our occupation or profession. So, scholars, now let's meet some people from other profession. So, the first one is policeman. A policeman maintains law and order. Their job is to protect their community by fighting and preventing crime, as well as maintaining law and order. Second is traffic policeman. Scholars, a traffic policeman controls the traffic on the road. He generally stands on a raised platform and regulates the traffic by making certain signs with his hands. If any driver goes against the rules, he blows his whistle and stop him. Third is farmer. A farmer grows crops and provide us with food. Scholars, a farmer works extremely hard in their field to grow food, grains for feeding as well as for livelihood. Next is teacher. A teacher teaches children in the school. He or she focuses on the overall development of each of their students. They teach us good manners and good habit in the school. Next is a doctor. A doctor is a person with the profession of treating and curing sick or injured people. A doctor treats us when we fall ill and help us to stay healthy. Next is banker. A banker keeps our money safe in the bank. And the last one is an engineer. Scholars, an engineer builds roads, bridges, and machines. Scholars, before moving on with the chapter, I would like all of you to open page number 59 of your EVS book and see this exercise given here. Few options are given here. We need to see the options carefully and then we need to complete the sentences that are given below. So let's start with the first one. Your father's car or jeep does not start. He will call the... So whom he will call if suppose if your father's car or jeep does not start? So he will call the car mechanic. So we will write here car mechanic in the space given below. Okay, and the option that we will complete with, we will cross it so that there is no confusion left. Okay, moving on to the next one. The water pipe in your bathroom is leaking. You will call the, whom do we call to if there is a leakage in our house? Yes, we call a plumber. So we will write here plumber. P L U M B E R, plumber. So here we will cut this option. Okay, see the third one now. The sole of your shoes has come off. You will go to the, yes, we will go to a cobbler, because a cobbler mends our shoes. So we will write here cobbler spelling. C-O-B-B-L-E-R, cobbler. Okay, and we will cut this option also. Okay, moving on to the fourth one now. There is an electric short circuit in your house. You will call the, whom do we call when there is an electric short circuit in our house? Yes, we call an electrician. So we will write here spelling of electrician. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-A-N, electrician. Okay, and we will cancel this word. Okay, moving on to the fifth one now. Your computer has got a virus. You will call the, okay, whom we will call to if there is a virus in our computer? We will call the computer mechanic. So let's write it here, computer mechanic. Computer mechanic. M-E-C-H-A-N-I-C, computer mechanic. He's the one who can repair the computer. Okay, moving on to the sixth one. You need to get a new dress stitched. You will go to the, whom do we go to if we want a new dress to be stitched? Yes, we go to a tailor. Before that, let's cut this option because we have already written this. So we go to a tailor. So we will write here spelling of tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. Okay. Now let's cut this word also from the options. Okay, now only two words are left. Seventh is, your mother needs cooking oil and pulses. She will go to the milkman or grocer. Yes, very good. We will write here grocer spelling. G-R-O-C-E-R. Okay, and let's cut this word from the option. Now, only one option is left and one question. You need to buy milk. You will go to the, very clear, we will go to a milkman. Right here, milkman. M-I-L-K, milk. M-A-N, milkman. Okay, scholars? Now, I would like you all to go through these sentences and learn the spellings that are given here. Okay? Scholars, some people even turn their hobbies into profession. For example, like a musician composes music. A singer sings songs. A sports person plays the sport he or she loves. For example, a cricketer plays cricket and a footballer plays football. So, scholars, these were some of the people who help us to live a good life. Here we come to the end of chapter number 9. Now it's time to do a quick recap of what we have studied in this chapter till now. So, the first point to remember is everybody does work to earn a living. Second point to remember is the work a person does is called his or her occupation or profession. The last point to remember is some people turn their hobby into profession, like musician, singer, sportsperson, etc. Scholars, now all the worksheet and assignments related to this chapter is given in the link in the description box. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Thank you.